Now we're working on building up the frame to add some supports. We tested it with adding like 10 pounds of force on the rear end, and the whole thing bends. So we're working on adding a lot of tubing to the back today. Me and Jake just got done welding all these 4-inch tube pieces on the back to create the rear end. We're doing a stress test on our welds and our frame. I'm standing on it, 220 pounds.
Come on, you're not that big. You're not that big.
All right, like 215, 220.
You're not that big, dude. You're like 180 at most.
Okay, string bean. Here's what the rear end looks like with the new box. Me and Jake just removed the engine, put it on a little roller there. Now we're moving on to welding this bar, or this plate across. It's gonna go right in there. We're gonna cut it, make it look good.
About to cut our frame so that we can point it and bend it. What? What?
Explain what it's gonna look like.
It's gonna look like a triangle.
Basically, we're gonna eyeball it, and that's what.
Eyeball it, dude. We gotta do it right.
Stop! We gotta joke. You gotta agree.
It's not a joke.
No, you gotta agree. It's for the. No, it's for YouTube. You have to joke. Gary, what are we doing?
I don't know, fish. I don't know, Joe. Joe, you can play that game, Joe.
All right, Gary. Gary, let's get some measurements here, brother. Shout out Gabs. She made us these donuts.
My hot girlfriend.
His
smoking hot girlfriend.
Yeah, he said it.
You just call my girlfriend hot?
I didn't say it.
You just call my girlfriend hot?
Dude. Anyways, these donuts are hot. These donuts are hot. That's what the... Dude, what the man? You're just kicking everything around.
Oh my gosh, dude. This is a Christian YouTube channel. And you just did that? You just said that?
What the heck?
What is your problem?
Yes. Look at this thing. Put it up here. Oh, I already see a little bit.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
It's not real?
No. It looks really good though.
You know what, dude?
Oh my goodness, then it was real.
Is it?
Maybe.
No, it's not
No.
real. It almost looks like where they like spray paint in the
hydro
water.
dip.
Yeah, hydro dip, yep.
Here's the new wing on the back where it's going to be mounted. Our wheels look a little bit small, but it looks sweet. Middle bar's been welded. Now we're going to work on putting side links in on both sides. Right now I'm working on barring the seat together with some mounts, custom made. The seat's going to be adjustable, so we'll be able to fit. I just finished welding and putting the whole mount together on here. As you guys can see, it's mounted from the back and from the bottom. 4 points of contact, so it has a lot of strength to it. Now I'm gonna work on, I have these 1/8" steel plating that I'm gonna put along the go-kart this way. Okay, so our seat looks a little weird, but it has to be like this because the most comfortable position for the seat is kind of lean back, just how it is right now. So just welded the seat on with the mount. It's looking pretty good. Tried to get it as level as I possibly could with the measuring tools I got. I mean, Ian might be a little disappointed, but it's pretty level. I haven't welded the inside yet. The outside is welded. This is what the shifter cart looks like so far. Seat is all mounted. We got it primed, and I just spray painted the seat. Seat is mounted. Looks pretty crazy. Got the nice lean on the seat, so it'll give us a nice, comfortable ride. We had about 8 people try the seat out and see what feels the best when they're sitting down And this is what everybody said. Seat is officially mounted. We can finally get a driver in there. Next video, we're gonna put the steering wheel in and the steering. And we should have our whole front end in for next video. Got Rochester Rednecks signs here.
Painted by me.
And then go over here, go over here. Yeah. All right. We're good.
Your van was yellow first.
We're good.
You can totally-